made this? from my room. You're such a sight to see in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon's reflection when it's passing off your skin. And before you let me in, I hear you say, it's been a long time. I say, okay, don't worry, I got you. Do you say, I want some more? Got that, got me, I got you. Do you say, some slow one? Got that Johnny, Al Green, and Marvin Gaye too. So love you deeply. Ooh, let me love you. Lay back, relax, and come with me. Somebody know just what you like. Love you, baby. Gentle with you, baby. Oh, as a feather, yeah. See, I know just when to finish, and I know just when to start. And I'll be loving your reaction every time I hit that spot. But it's soft like leather, but the top is hard. Whisper your pleasures, and I'll do my job. Rating intense, girl, let me do what I do. I don't know what's echoing louder, the music or you. I ain't close to being done yet. It's getting real warm, like the coming of thunder. Right after the storm, you say, girl, I'm gonna push it to the limit. Ooh, it's yours. See, second place, so in the race, I'm gonna be a number one. Here comes the sun. Let's try to taste them all again. As the sound of love making shades off the walls. Ooh, this might not be the bedroom, but I'm gonna love you, girl, gently. Ooh, light as a feather, but hard as a rock. Hard as a rock, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm here to love you, wanna love you like hard as a rock. I love you, gently. Oh, baby. Light as a feather, but hard as a rock. Ooh, you feel me, girl? Hey.